Hi, Ron from Clarity. In this video, we'll walk through the document library looking at one of its features, which is managing your document content. Under the Docs menu, there's an All Documents link that takes us to the Document Management dashboard. At the top of the dashboard is a group filter, so you can quickly manage just the documents in a specific group. There's also a search field if you're looking for a specific document or wanted to filter by a keyword such as finance. Documents can be viewed either in the default grid or list view, depending on your preferences. There's also a sort field and a toggle for ascending or descending order. Once we've chosen our view and filtered our results, we can now manage our content. Clicking on the ellipses of an item brings up the Actions menu, where we can drill in and view the details of a document, download a copy, add it to a group or data lake, and finally remove it from the document repository. Clicking on the View Details takes us into the document. This view gives us a lot of information about the ingested content. Across the title bar, we're given actions to download, re-ingest, cleanse, edit, and delete the document. The top section gives us an expandable view of the original content, the ingested content or the processed document, and finally the optimized for indexing version of the content, which includes an AI-generated document summary. The three buttons across the top allow us to launch a comparison modal, which gives us a side-by-side view of any two of the versions. The bottom sections are mostly informational, showing us meta info about the document, how many words are in the document, any tags assigned during the ingestion, a listing of any data lakes or groups that it's included in, and finally, a couple of actions to allow us to cleanse the document, which is to rerun the governance rules, and finally, an option to download the original content. So in summary, the document repository is used to manage your ingested content. You can edit, move it around, changing tagging and group assignments, cleanse them, and much more. Thanks for watching.